Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Okay, what have we here? Trader Giotto's. That's Trader Joe's bruschetta. Italian tomato topping with fresh garlic and fresh basil. Mike Foster here. This is another Mike Tries, and another one of my favorite things in the world. That's Trader Joe's. This is their Trader Joe's bruschetta. That's how it's pronounced. Bruschetta. People say bruschetta, bruschetta. It's basically a tomato and garlic spread that is world-renowned, famous in Italy. But Trader Joe's makes one here. And we're going to taste this one and see how great it tastes, see if Trader Joe's can pull it off. Served traditionally on a piece of toasted bread. And in fact, I have a super easy snack coming up on how to make simple bruschetta. But that's down the road. Let's taste this baby. It's got tomatoes, oil, garlic, onions, vinegar, salt, basil, and some spices. Nice. Little calories, not much fat. Little sodium, 180 per low fiber. Let's take a bite of this. All right, let's dig in. You can see the consistency. See some of the oil there. Ooh, that's a big bite, Mike. Can you do it? There it is. Should I just take a... Oh, is that good? Very tangy. I taste that vinegar. Oh, the tomatoes are just bright and robust. You taste that garlic. This is delicious. You guys got to try this one. I love Trader Joe's, you know that. Bruschetta from Trader Joe's. This is a thumbs up, a 10 out of 10. Can't wait to put this on some toasted bread. Oh, sorry. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365, my YouTube channel. By the same name. Until next time, bruschetta. Peace.
Live life 365.
I drank it. Whoa. Sweet babu. But let's taste this baby.